Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The world of crypto is known for being volatile, where a lot of cryptos out there can either increase in double digits or decrease in double digits, which is absolutely crazy if you're coming from the stock world, where the percentage increase or decrease is not that much. But we have some cryptos, especially some altcoins out there, which can do absolutely crazy. Either they can make you a lot of money or they can make you lose a lot of money. And I'm talking about within a span of a couple of days. Now, specifically talking about XRP, we have somewhat a warning, especially related to the price of XRP and the volatility surrounding XRP. Now, this is because of the Ripple lawsuit and the specific dates, especially August 31st, and that is going to be the end of the fact discovery for Ripple lawsuit, and that is when both sides are going to be presenting a lot of evidence. And a lot of analysts out there, and including myself, we are expecting to see the price of XRP being very volatile. Now, do keep in mind that this does not mean that the price of XRP is going to decrease or it is going to increase. We are just expecting that it will be very volatile surrounding that time frame. And in today's video, we will try to at least give an estimate on how the price might move based on these very important dates. But before going on to those details, let's take a quick look at the price of XRP today. The world of crypto had another really amazing day. We saw pretty much green throughout, and some cryptos out there, especially give a big shout out to Cardano holders out there, who I'm pretty sure they are going to be extremely happy because we saw a new all-time high price for Cardano at around $2.9 and almost touching that $3 mark. And I will be talking about Cardano in an upcoming video, especially talking about a price prediction for Cardano. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Now, talking about related to XRP, well, XRP at the time of making this video, it is trading at $1.25, an increase of close to 4% compared to yesterday, and about the same as 1 week ago. Now, also do keep in mind that today was a pretty big day for overall crypto world because the price of Bitcoin was able to go above that $50,000 psychological barrier. But obviously, the time of making this video, it is not above that almost touching the $50,000 mark. Now, especially talking about XRP today, we saw a low point around $1.18 and a high of around $1.3. But especially in the last hour or so, we saw a major decrease for XRP, and this was when the price of a Bitcoin dropped below that $50,000 barrier. Now, moving on to the daily summary for XRP, the summary stands at a strong buy, moving average at a buy, technical indicators a strong buy, and the RSI also at a buy position. Now, the weekly chart, it is again at a strong buy, and RSI also at a buy position. And talking about monthly, the monthly summary is also at a strong buy and RSI at a buy position again. So XRP is expected to perform really well, especially considering that the last week or so we have been the price of XRP has been trading within these trading ranges of around $1.2 to $1.3. And some analysts out there are expecting that we are on the verge of a major breakthrough for the price of XRP. And this is again speculating, is adding fuel to the fire of the very important dates that are coming up. Now, talking about the very important upcoming date for Ripple and XRP, it is August 31st. That is the end of the fact discovery, and that is when both sides, Ripple and the SEC, they are going to be presenting their initial arguments. Those are very important ones, and also it is the end of the collecting evidence part, the fact discovery part. And a lot of analysts out there, in fact, we have this article on Investor Panelist that is saying that nonetheless on August 31st, it is expected we'll get more insight into what evidence both sides have. This will likely provide a catalyst either to the upside or downside for XRP. Accordingly, investors can expect volatility around this date. This is a very important date. Do keep in mind that in fact we were supposed to have the end of fact discovery about 2 months ago, but everything it got extended. Now we have August 31st. This is the final day and the end of the fact discovery. And a lot of analysts out there, depending on what kind of arguments Ripple and the SEC are presenting, it could mean we might have a major rally for XRP, or we could see a downward spiral for the price of XRP. So this is going to be a very volatile time, and do keep in mind that August 31st is not the only date. There is one more, that is the end of expert discovery, which will be October 15th. That is another very important date that can have a major influence on the price of XRP. But the first one that we are going to see in the next week or so, it is August 31st, and that day, like pretty much every single day, I will be giving you guys the latest and up to date on what exactly each side is saying and how that might impact the price. But from so far what we have been hearing from both the SEC and Ripple, things are looking really good for Ripple, which means it is looking really good for XRP. But again, we should like SEC is not going to hold anything back. They are going to go at each other. So August 31st, it is going to be a pretty big date, so mark your calendars for that. Now, talking about a bit more into the future, from my yesterday's video, I did talk about it in detail on an XRP price prediction on what might happen if Ripple wins this lawsuit. If you guys have not already seen that, I highly suggest you to do that, and I will be linking that in the description box below. Go and check that video out. Now, keeping up with the talk of volatility, we have crypto briefing here. The analysts are predicting that we are going to expect XRP to be very volatile in the coming days, but they expect that XRP is on the verge of a 30% breakout. They expect that XRP is going to increase by 30% in the next coming days. And these are based on Ripple. XRP's token has endured a 10-day long consolidation period without providing any clear signals of where it is heading next. And next, there a close above $1.26 or below $1.18 will determine the direction of its trend. So they are basically saying that if the price of XRP is above $1.26 or below the $1.18, well, the price of XRP is going to move drastically. And this is something I've also talked about in some of my previous videos, and I said that if the price of XRP is above $1.25, we can expect it to increase, the price of XRP to increase and go as high as around $1.75 to $1.8, which would be absolutely really good news for a lot of XRP investors out there. But price below $1.18 will result in XRP dropping below that $1 psychological barrier. So the next week is going to be very important, especially the coming days are going to be very important. And keep talking about the Ripple lawsuit, both sides are going to be presenting in the next couple of days some very important documents, which they will most likely publish in the next coming days, and I'll definitely be making a video on that. And those are going to also determine, at least for the short term, an XRP price prediction on what direction it might be heading. So things are going to be very interesting for XRP. That's all I can say right now. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know in what direction do you think the price of XRP is going to move in the next coming days, and how the August 31st is going to have an impact on XRP and obviously Ripple. So do drop a comment below, because I do love reading all your comments. Well guys, for those of you who are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you can subscribe, or if you don't want to subscribe, at least give this video a like, so it recommends my video to the YouTube algorithm recommends my video to other people. Well guys, thank you for watching this, and as always, I will see you next time.